morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here for my look, y'all. It's hard. It's hard out here in these streets. The deals are just not dealing. Look, I'm not even gonna front with y'all. I'm sitting in front of Panera Bread because I literally just got my drink. Y'all know I'm still doing a sip up. The deals are not dealing, y'all. I mean, I'm gonna share with you what I've got. But let me just tell you, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not even going front. I'm doing like just the stuff that's free. And then I have a deal I'm gonna do at Target. I have a customer I have to meet right now. And so she's by Target, so I'm gonna do that deal only because I'm gonna be by Target. But let me tell you, if this is one of those weeks where you just like, I'm too busy, I got so much to do, then this is the week that you could just skip, because this is not a whole lot going on over here in these rebating streets. I'm hoping that you guys were able to get in on the Clorox. I sold all my Clorox already, y'all, except the ones that I was gonna keep. And yeah, so they always go super fast for me. So I hope you guys are able to get out and get that. I did forget to mention in the video with the sister apps, if the offer is still there, then you can do it, because sometimes the offers will stick around a little longer even though they're expired. But if it's still listed, you can still do it. And so with that being said, we're gonna head into Walmart first, see what kind of deals we can grab over there. I'll share with you guys the deal that I do at Target as well. And so if you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, did I say subscribe? I didn't say subscribe. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. With that being said, we're gonna head over to Target. Well, we're gonna head over to Walmart first, then Target. If you want to see what your girl got to do, keep on.
All right, guys. So the Gutzy popped up again. I guess Ibotta really want us to get it, and I'm not gonna front. This one right here is my favorite. I've tried them both. I've been like literally having one before I go to the gym in the mornings. This one right here is really good. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab a total of 2 of these, but it's priced at $5.98. You're gonna grab 1, getting back 6 on Ibotta. It's also available for Walmart. Blah, 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 blah. It's also available for Walmart Rewards as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 for Walmart Rewards first. That way I'll give it some time to hit my Walmart app before I check out, and then I can then roll that into the one for Ibotta, which is what I normally do. And so yeah, not a bad deal. We're gonna get both of them for free plus a 4-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Miltons. This is another free item on Ibotta as well as Walmart Rewards. Now for this, you can only get the jalapeno one. That's the only one that is working. Now I had to come to a different store because I had a customer over here. And so luckily I checked because online didn't say they had it. And so it's priced at $3.64. You're going to get that back through either Walmart Rewards or Ibotta, hell, or both, which is what I'm going to do. I'm making them both free. All right, and so this next deal, I'll post up who I saw do this. It's on the Silk Kits. This is a gift card promotion. It's a spend 10, get back 5 on select products. I'll have a link in the description with the list of all the items that do qualify. And so for this, you want to grab a total of 3 of the Silk Kits. They are priced in my store at $4.88. Now we do have $3 back for each on Ibotta. You'll get back the $5 gift card, brings them down to about 64 cents. For 3 are only 21 cents each. Now, what I thought of doing is grabbing 2 of the Silk and 1 of the Happy Tots, which are priced at $1.74. Again, make sure you check the list to see which ones qualify. I know that this one does. And so the 3 products is going to cost $11.50, getting back 6 on Ibotta. And then you'll get back that $5 gift card as well, making them only 16 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on the Airwick Advanced. I do have an offer on Walmart Rewards for $3 back, and it works on this one, so make it 98 cents. That same offer also works on this one right here, the kit, which is priced at $3.97, making it 97 cents. And I thought there was another scent that it was working on too, a lavender scent. Yeah, would be right here. They don't have any. And so yeah, not a bad deal.
All right.
Really quick, there's also an offer on Ibotta. I still have for $2, which works on these singles. This one here, this one down here, price at $3.98, getting back 2 makes it $1.98. Also have offers for the Febreze small spaces. They have this one here, priced at $3.24. The Ibotta offer is $2, so would make that $1.24. Then they also have one down here that's priced at $3.42, making that one $1.42. All right, so the Dawn Power Suds is priced at $4.14. Getting back to one Ibotta makes that $2.14. Looks like they had the Dawn Power Green, maybe green apple, I assume. I'm not sure. For $4, so definitely check your stores for that. Oh, they have some down here too. The Dawn Watermelon and Lilac are $5. So the Motrin is priced at $4.22. We do have a $2 coupon on coupons.com, bringing that down to $2.22, getting back to on Ibotta. Makes it only 22 cents each. Now we do have an offer on Fetch Reward. I want to say it is spend 20, get back $2.90. Of course, it factors in after the coupon. And so, yeah. So the only deal that I'm going to grab here at Target is on the Belgian Boys. They are priced at $5.89. They have a variety of different ones. I've tried the bite-sized ones. I think that was at Walmart. There was an offer there. Those are really good. But I think I'm going to go ahead and grab these here. Price at $5.89. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $11.78. We have a buy one get one free offer on Social Nature as well as Aisle, making them both free.
All right, y'all, look, don't laugh at my little bitty haul. What makes me happy is that it's all food. I got breakfast, I got a snack. Well, I guess I could have the Gutzy for breakfast. I've been kind of low-key having it for breakfast before I go to the gym. And so I can't really complain. Y'all listen, my goal today was to get what was free. Could I have hit my bonus? Yeah, I could have. But it's really just not that serious to me right now. Like the deals are just not dealing. I would have been in there trying to look for deals to do. And so I went ahead and grabbed the Miltons for both Walmart Rewards and Ibotta. Now normally I do Walmart Rewards first, and then once it hits, then I basically I rolled that into the offer for Ibotta, but it didn't go through yet. And so I didn't want the offer to expire on Ibotta, so I went ahead and just grabbed a second set. Now, if it doesn't hit by tomorrow morning, I'll go ahead and call customer service. Usually, it goes right through. Like, I haven't had an issue with Walmart Rewards in a hot minute. But I always say, if you have an issue, always call customer support. They always give me promo codes that I can use for curbside. And so they give me a 5 out of 10, I'll be happy. And then, of course, I still got to take it back because that's not why I bought it, right? And so I'm hoping that it works out. But as of now, I haven't gotten it back yet. And then we did the Belgian Boys at Target, Aisle and Social Nature for that. But other than that, y'all, this is all that I did. I did forget to mention that we did get some new surveys for Flavor Wiki, but it's only for certain states. It's the chip one. I want to say it's Arizona, New York, Georgia, and the other one was Florida. But from what I'm hearing, a lot of you guys say is that the grocery stores, they're nowhere near you. So just because it's in your state doesn't mean you're still going to get it. But I am so happy when you guys do, get surveys on the Flavor Wiki, because, I mean, a lot of people don't. And so I did want to mention that. Other than that, didn't have a lot of receipts. I only had 4 receipts. But listen, so everything that you see here retails $30. $30.70. All right, no coupons, no sales tax. Getting back $9.48 from Ibotta, hopefully $9.48 from Walmart Rewards, or it's going back. I did cash off of PayPal, which is probably the only thing that saved this haul, this little small micro haul. Aisle and Social Nature, both $5.89. Getting back a total of $37.41 makes everything you see here free plus a $6.71. Again, thank you PayPal. Thank you 5%.
I hope you guys chose your category. You choose your category the first of the month. I always do grocery. And in my experience, it's going to come off of the total that you spend with your PayPal card. And so that 5% comes in handy. And so other than that, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. I'm not sure if there's a waffle emoji, but let's see a pancake emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.